For the match, we are well prepared. It's good that we played with Saudi Arabia. Also, we watched 2 matches. Now we know their strength, their weaknesses. We're going to use it. We're going to use their weaknesses and attack it. Definitely, everything is expected. We never know what will happen, so we have to be prepared for that. For the penalty kicks, it's not about practicing or teaching the girls how to shoot the penalty. It's about teaching the girls how to handle the pressure. At that moment, even top players, sometimes they miss penalties, so it's fine. But let's take the last match penalty kicks as experience for the next one. And definitely, hopefully, for the next match, if we faced penalty kicks, the girls will be more calm and more experienced and learn from their mistakes. And definitely in today's training session, we'll also focus more and more on how for the girls to handle the pressure, to forget what is happening around and just focus on the penalty shoot. Coping with the loss was okay, because I would say their performance was great. They gave like more than 100% effort. The only problem is they played for most of them they played for 120 minutes. Was not easy. Most of them they covered 15 kilometers during the match. So the challenge was to recover them. Yesterday we did a recovery session, and today also a light session for them to recover and be physically ready for the next. However, the vibes are still the same, positive, and they're looking too bad for getting the 3rd place, because this is what they deserve. This is the least thing they deserve, is getting the 3rd place.
Alhamdulillah, the preparation, I think so far everything okay. Coach Soleen memang training kita orang based on strategi yang diorang nak gunakan. InsyaAllah kita orang boleh collect 3 point untuk against Arab Saudi on 30 hari bulan ni. I think even though after the loss during against Lebanon tu memang a bit frustrated, but I can tell yang everyone memang happy because semua yang diturunkan, yang dimainkan oleh Coach Soleen memang has given 100%. I think 120%. It's not an easy game juga. It's just penalty kick tu kita orang tak ada luck, and memang kemenangan bukan pihak kepada kami lah pada tu. For tomorrow punya match, I expect we can win, insyaAllah. And I hope that my friends boleh maintain the momentum yang kita orang main masa Lebanon untuk play against Saudi Arabia, because that momentum memang kalau kita orang maintain kan 3 point insyaAllah dalam tangan.